Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we discuss a new concept for MSET, MSET or and IIT JEE Mains also. So given here root 2 into root 3 is equals to root 6. Given that root 2 into root 3 is equals to root 6. So we know that here square root of a into square root of b is equals to square root of ab. For all a comma b belongs to z plus. Okay, so we know the condition here. Now here square root of minus 2 and square root of minus 3 is there. So how to find out this is here. Square root of minus 2 can written also square root of minus 1 into 2. Okay, so minus 2 ni minus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into 2 and into square root of minus 3 minus 1 into 3. So square root of minus 1 into square root of 2 we write here. Okay, square root of minus 1 into square root of 2. And this is square root of minus 1 into square root of 3. Now what we get here? Square root of minus 1 can written also I into root 2. Here. Square root of minus 1 is nothing but I square is equals to minus 1 and I equals to square root of minus 1. So square root of minus 1 can written also I. Here also I into square root 3. So I into I square we get here I square into square root of 2 into square root of 3. So that is minus 1 into root a into root b, again root ab, that is 2 into 3. So minus 1 into 6, root 6. So square root of minus 2 into square root of minus 3 is equals to, we got here, minus root 6. Okay. So this belongs to complex numbers. Actually square root of 2 into square root of 3 is equals to root 6. Then square root of minus 2 into square root of minus 3 is equals to, we get here, minus root 6. So we are using like this one. So square root of minus a into square root of minus b is equals to minus square root ab, minus square root ab we get here. Okay, square root of minus 3 into square root of minus 75 is equals to how much? So options are 15, second one is 15i, third one is minus 15, fourth one is 115i. So this is the question, given question. So we know that here minus a into minus b, square root of minus a into minus b minus square root of ab we get here. Clear? So square root of minus 3 into square root of minus 75, that equals to minus 3 into 75 we write here. 3 into 75. So what we had now? Minus 3 into 75, 225 we get here. Square root of 225. Square root of 225 can written also 15 we get here. So we got here minus 15. So 3 is the option. Okay. Next, second question. Square root of minus 4 into square root of minus 9 is equals to how much? So options are 36. Second one is 6. Third one is minus 6. Fourth one is minus 6i. So again we are applying minus a, square root of minus a into square root of minus b is equals to minus root ab. Okay. So here square root of minus 4 into square root of minus 9 is equals to minus 36. 9 into 4. So that is nothing but minus 6 we get here. So this is the answer. So very simple questions are there. These are belongs to complex numbers. Okay. Okay, next question. Square root of minus 2 into square root of 3, that equals to how much? Options are root 6i, second one is minus root 6i, third one is root 6, fourth one is minus 6. So given that, so we take here square root of minus 2 into square root of 3. Okay, now square root of minus 2 can written also minus 1 into square root of 2. So square root of 3 as it is. So square root of minus 1 is nothing but I. Root a into root b, we write here root a into b, root ab. So I root 6 we get here. I root 6 can written also root 6 into I. So belongs to first option. So first option is right answer. So we know that here I square value minus 1, then I equals to square root of minus 1. Okay. Next question is square root of minus 4 into square root of 9 is equals to how much? Options are first one is 6i, second one is minus 6i, third one is root 6i, fourth one is minus root 6i. చూడండి ఆప్షన్స్ లోపల మనకి 6i మైనస్ 6i రూట్ 6i మైనస్ రూట్ 6i ఆప్షన్స్ అనేవి ఎట్లా ఇస్తాడంటే 4 ఆప్షన్స్ మొత్తం రిలేటెడ్గా ఉన్న ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తాడు. ఎక్కడైనా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిన తర్వాత మిస్టేక్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంటుందనే ఉద్దేశం మీద ఇలా రిలేటెడ్ ఉన్న ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తాడు కామన్గా. ఓకే, సో తొందరపడి ఆప్షన్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయకండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వి రైట్ హియర్ given question is nothing but square root of minus 4 into square root of 9. So that is nothing but minus root 1 into root 4 into root 9 as it is. Clear? So this is nothing but I. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2. Square root of 9 is nothing but 3. So what we get here? I into root 2 into 3, 6. So we get here I 6. 6i we get here. That is nothing but first option we got here. సో ఇలాగా ప్రాబ్లం చేసి రాయడమే బెటరు. లేదంటే తొందరలో కూడా కొంత మిస్టేక్ ఇవ్వకుండా ఉండాలంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ 4 ఉంది. స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ 4 ఏమైతే అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా 2i అని గుర్తు రావాలి. ఎలా? స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ 4 దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 4 వి నో దట్ ఇయర్. అంటే స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 4 మనకి ఏం చేస్తే 2s, మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ 2i రాయాలి. ఈ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 9 అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా 3 అవుతుంది. 3 into 2 6 అవుతుంది. ఇలా